The process begins at the source. In the heart of the orchard, only the most mature jackfruits are hand-selected.
At the intake stage, every fruit is subjected to rig quality benchmarks.
The process begins with a multi-stage high-pressure wash, utilizing deionized water to strip away all external.
To ensure total food safety, the fruit undergoes surface disinfection. A high-concentration ozone bath neutralizes.
The process begins with mechanical precision. Industrial slicers divide the fruit, exposing the nutrient-rich sections for further extraction.
Precision is paramount. Skilled technicians perform a final manual audit, separating the premium, fiber-rich fruit.
The extracted essence is collected in food-grade stainless steel reservoirs, maintaining a constant temperature to. To ensure peak nutritional value, the blend is fortified with essential vitamin C and minerals, precisely metered. The system initiates the ultra-high temperature sequence, ensuring total shelf stability.
To ensure absolute purity, each bottle is inverted and purged with ionized air, neutralizing static.
To ensure product integrity, a tamper-evident seal is applied. This thin polymer band
The bundled products pass through a precision heat tunnel. Here, controlled thermal application shrinks the PE film.
The final stage of the logic chain begins with secondary packaging. Automated case erectors transform flat corrugated fiber.
Precision tracking is essential for global distribution. Every carton is imprinted with a unique digital fingerprint.
Precision is paramount. Every finished case passes through a digital checkweigher to ensure the exact volume and count.
To guarantee long-term stability and flavor consistency, representative samples from every batch are archived in a controlled environment for continuous monitoring.
24 hours after packaging, a final microbiological sweep is conducted. This ensures that the UHT process
Efficiency is managed with digital precision. Here, logistics experts coordinate the final dispatch.
With quality checks finalized, the finished product enters the logistics phase. Pallets are extracted from.
Before the first pallet is loaded, the cold chain integrity is verified. Every transport vehicle
readings. With the final quality checks complete, the stabilized pallets are loaded into temperature-controlled.
With the cargo secured, a tamper-proof seal is applied, ensuring the integrity and safety of the product from the factory floor to the consumer. At the distribution point, the cold chain remains unbroken. Every pallet is scanned and verified. The final product, preserved in its peak nutritional state, reaches the retail shelf. The vibrant natural The journey from orchard to industry reaches its final node. Every bottle is accounted for, ensuring a seamless transition.
The journey from orchard to glass is complete. Pure, cold-pressed jackfruit, capturing the essence of the harvest in every drop.
The journey from orchard to glass is complete. Pure, cold-pressed jackfruit, capturing the essence of the harvest in every drop.